Hi there, I'm Alexis with CHAKREDY, and today I'm really excited to talk with you about nutrition interference, specifically blocks. We are blocked by our own beliefs, straight up, especially when it comes to food. So let's look at how energy blocks relate specifically to nutrition. Blocks are one of the 6 interferences that we work with in the advanced CHAKREDY training. And today we're going to begin by addressing what an energy block is. An energy block is often experienced as a blind spot or a wall that prevents you from seeing or experiencing something. And blocks can be tricky to connect with because their nature is to block. So, how is a block experienced? Well, it can be experienced as the inability to access or see a pattern or behavior, frustration, feeling stuck in some type of cycle, and the energetics of a block. So, how you may actually be experiencing this in your body may feel like bumping up or pushing up against a wall in your energy in your physical body, resistance to something, or resistance to something as you're pushing up against it, or resistance to something as it's pushing up against you. Applying this to food is getting really specific. So we can look at how you may be blocked around certain foods that you may resist or have some type of barrier with. So I want you to take a minute and go ahead and list those out. Can you connect with these blocks and how they might be tied into your life? Here's an example. You feel blocked on cooking meals for yourself. When you cook for others, meal ideas come effortlessly. So when it's just you, you're stumped, you feel blocked, and of course, ultimately, you get hungry. So, how does this block affect you in your everyday life? Using that example, you could see how this may cross over into other aspects of your life and how might that be affecting you. An example would be it's too hard to cook for myself when I don't have anyone to share a meal with. Can you connect with where this block might originate from? You can close your eyes and just take a few deep breaths and see what insight comes through. And then I would love to hear from you below if you feel inspired to share. Go ahead and do so in the comments, and be sure to check out more cool info on chakredy.com. Thanks so much for watching.